Get ready, sneaker fans. Nike is quietly building a massive Kobe-inspired Air Force 1 lineup, and the latest colorway turning heads is the Kobe x Nike Air Force 1 Low Cargo Khaki. This upcoming pair sits under the growing IB0018 series, the same collection that introduced the rumored triple white and court purple versions. Featuring full snakeskin textured leather, military green tones, and matching midsoles and laces, the Cargo Khaki edition carries that premium Mamba feel with a refined, uniform look. The heel tabs highlight Kobe Bryant's iconic 8 and 24 jersey numbers, while the sheath logos and reptile detailing keep the tribute subtle but powerful. With leaks hinting at more colorways like cool gray and black, it's clear Nike is preparing a full rollout of Kobe-styled Air Force 1 lows. There's still no official release date, but with multiple pairs surfacing early, fans can expect more news and potential launch updates very soon.